To your mama. Let's make our way to your mama.
Mommy, can I have more bread and toss to geese?
She's safe up top.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here, you.
What?
Nothing.
Wow! Look at all these ducks and geese. And there's your shadow. Hey, look, a ducky got it.
Mommy, can I have more bread?
Careful, Boo.
Oops.
Thank you. Look at all these ducks and geese following us, Emma. Hey, and look at Boo. Hey, Boo, show me the ducks.
Mom, Daddy, can I get that one now?
Sure. Are you not scared anymore?
I'm not.
Okay. Here, Laura, can you hold this for a second? I'm just going to put her down. Make sure it's rolling. There you go. Hey, Boo. Hey, Boo, if you get scared, you can roar like a dinosaur. There you go, you're doing a good job. See, look, Emma, look at Boo. That's how you get rid of him.
He's just being aggressive. Go, Boo.
Come over here, Boo. Whoa, don't throw him at me, please, sweetie. Throw your bread. Throw some bread. Wow.
Oh, look at the baby one.
Yeah, right, those are ducks. The big ones are geese. Where are you going, Boo? Yeah, stay away from the water, please. You gonna chase that one? Hey, Boo, over here, buddy. Hello. Wonder if he'll catch one. I wonder if he'll catch one.
He's already got one.
Oh, did you grab it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. Hey, where are you, buddy? Good job, Emma. You're doing a great job, baby.